welcome back to my channel. It's Anais, and for this week's video I come back with you guys with another vlog, but in kind of like video style but filmed vlog style, if that makes any sense. So today I am with Agathe. She's kind of in the shower, and we are going shopping today in Paris to get things for our Greece trip, which is coming up super soon on July the 3rd. We are currently Saturday, June 22nd. So we gotta get ready, we gotta get them outfits, them swimsuits, we gotta get it. So it's a whole shopping day today. I'm so excited. I've missed Agathe yesterday. We had such a fun night just together. We watched the finale of the Survivor show that I think I mentioned about, which, oh my god, I was so happy. So that's that, and yeah, we're just getting ready, and I thought I should start the vlog. So yeah, I'm doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. Leave, like, finally go to a place where there's beaches, the pool, and just have so much fun. Like, we've been waiting for this trip for so long, and like, it's coming so soon. So yeah, this video, by the way, is gonna be like separated into like two parts. I don't really know yet, but I want to show you guys how I pack and give you guys kind of little like tips and stuff, because this video is all about prepping. So yeah, that's one of the first videos you're getting from Greece trip. I'm so excited. Travel videos are the best. I can't wait to show you guys all my adventures, all my travels. But if you want to stay tuned with everything that I'm doing, while I will not be uploading while I'm in Greece, because I will not be taking my computer, but I have videos planned for you guys, pre-filmed already. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of my adventures, my Greece trip. I will be Instagramming stories every day, like, don't you worry. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this vlog, this video. If you do, give it up a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for so much more content coming. I keep saying that, but it really is coming, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for all the support. Recently I've been getting all of my videos. It really just means so much. It does not go unnoticed. Thank you for every comment, every view. It means the whole world. Welcome to this family. Yeah, let's have a beautiful day today. I'm gonna get ready a little bit. This is the outfit of the day. Let me show you guys. You kind of see my bralette, but it's kind of sexy. But so this is the outfit of the day. It's just a black simple dress that I bought from Zara when I was in Madrid, and I just love it because it's like this on the side, and yeah, it's so cute. But I think I might change my bra just because this is showing a little bit too much. But yeah, this is the outfit, and just gonna wear my tennis shoes. Next shot is us leaving, so get ready, let's go. This top so much. I'm matching it with this, but I'm gonna try the other one. I actually really like it. The color is super pretty, and how it goes like that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Second one with the same bottoms but different top, which matches it. I really like it. So it's been a hot minute. You guys are kind of like weird. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I am halfway packed now. It is now 11:46 and I wanted to sit down and show you guys what I take in my carry-on. So here we go. There's not a lot, but for trips like that, usually I tend to pack a little bit too much. Not too much, but enough. Because you never know, when you're going abroad, when you're going to another country, a new country, you always just need as much as you can, but not too much, because you don't want to overpack. So the bag that I will be taking for this trip is this bag. It is kind of like my Dora Explorer bag. Dora, who? Dora? We don't know her. So yeah, this is from Benetton. I absolutely love it because it has not only a pocket in the front, but the back, it has like 3 pockets. I love it. It can fit so much. Like backpacks like that are actually just iconic, magical, we stand. This is what I will be taking for my trip. Get ready because there's quite a few things. First and foremost, we need a passport. And my ticket, I keep these two together. It's super important. I always put it somewhere where I can reach out easily, especially when I'm at the airport and you're running around the airport and you need your passport, etc. Always put it somewhere where you can reach it easily. That's the passport, and it's really important because it needs to get me there. So then, a Polaroid, very important as well. This is to capture the memories, the moments. As well with that, I always take a recharge. There's 10 films in here. Again, important. We want to capture these memories. This is my 20th birthday gift, actually, so yeah. So, among all of that, my headphones, super important. I might actually be getting some actual earphones because I don't know if I want to take these in the airplane, but these are my noise cancelling headphones. I absolutely love them, so yes. My wallet, important, the most important thing ever. My credit card, all my IDs, my health cards, etc, etc. This is important. It needs to get me through this trip or else. Obviously this camera, my tripod, these are the main things. I made, and I always recommend making these things because you will have much more space, whether that's in your suitcase or in your bag, but electrical pouch you will find. My camera charger, extremely important. Another thing that's important because you never know in what country you're going or where you're going, adapter. These adapters, I don't know if you have them somewhere where you live, but if you find them, get one. Because I actually have 3 in my house, but it has for every country, every type of charger. So England, France, and America. Do we stand that? Yes, we do. Get yourself one. They're amazing. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I love these. These things are amazing. Then we have my charger. That's also really important. 2 extra SD cards. Always have an extra little pony tail, you never know. Moving on, my Greece guide. I bought this here, so it has all the restaurants, all the addresses, all the things we need to know about Greece. It has everything. I've color-coded every island. Yes, that's me. I have my travel diary, which has information of all the things we need to do, all the plans, all the sightseeing we need to do. Plus, I'm gonna be writing down like memories, etc. I'm gonna be keeping kind of track, kind of like my vlogs, but writing, so it can be really cool. Other little pass, but this is my student / library / metro card pass that I always take everywhere with me. So that's important. I am a sunglass addict. I have a whole collection of them. So yeah, it's impossible for me to live without at least 2 or 3, even if it's just 10 days. I know, but I'm crazy like that. Then I have 2 pens. Very important. Always have some pens on you if you want to write postcards while you're on vacation. I absolutely love sending postcards while I'm on vacation. I think that's great. So always have some pens with you. You never know when you'll need it. Never forget, things to never forget while you're traveling: tissues and the lip balm, because you know what, their allergies can snap out of nowhere. Also a lip balm because you gotta hydrate the lips, even though if it's hot, always hydrate them. With my treatment, I've learned to always hydrate my lips no matter what, if I'm on treatment or not. Not that I didn't do it before, but I'm doing it more often now every day. That's everything that I take in my carry-on. I might just add up a few things. We're going strong. It's actually now 11:54. We're doing super good. I hope you guys are having a great day, by the way. I'm gonna film a little video for you guys, so you have something while I'm away, because the goal of the summer is to keep posting no matter what. But it's gonna be just one video per week. I want to enjoy my summer. Last summer I tried and it completely failed, and I'm just better by doing once a week. So for now we're doing once a week. I'm excited. And yeah, so I'm gonna film a makeup video, like how I've been doing my makeup ever since my treatment. So like a summer makeup look, 5-minute, bam, bam, let's go, let's have some fun, and I'll catch you guys later. So, I just came back from the sales today. I was just shopping and I thought I should do like a quick little haul because I'm not gonna be posting a haul anytime soon. So I thought I should do it here. Gives you guys that content, to give you guys that content, baby. It was the sales, so that means that it's like black. If you're not from Europe, it's like if it was Black Friday, but for like 6 weeks. So it started, I believe, on the 26th. It's all up until the end of July or something like that, and everybody goes crazy. Stores are going crazy. There are so many people outside, like in stores, it's crazy. So I went to this like huge mall, and it has like every store in the world, so I was happy. So if you're ever in Europe, make sure you go hit up that shopping, because they're 70% off, 60% off, 50% off. Snatch them like no other. And they have a ton of cute stuff, because it's like, you know, summertime, summer collections. So it's really cool, but I was kind of like disappointed in some stores, like Zara, a little disappointed in like what they had, because I know usually Zara is like it, but there were so many people that I was so lazy to like search, and I literally was gonna suffocate if I was gonna stay one more minute in there. So the first store I hit was Kiko. Kiko is truly iconic. We needed to stock up on some new eyebrow pencil, and it was only $3.50. $3.50, ladies. Looks like this. It has the little airbrush and the pencil. It looks nice and sharp. Then we got a lip liner, but a red lip liner, because I absolutely don't have one, and I feel like I need kind of like a lip liner to lip line my lines whenever I'm wearing red lipstick. It's a lip liner in the shape Ocean Feel. It is in the shade 06. So yeah, if you guys are searching for one, also they are super cheap, literally under 9 euros. Okay, so then the next thing I got is a lip gloss. I'm a more matte kind of gal, but I'm not saying no to a lip gloss, especially on sale, and I thought I should jump on the bandwagon, because, you know, why not. This one is the 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 16, and I love the packaging and just how it looks. Yes. Oof. Meet Pinky. I don't know if you guys know this brand. This is probably just a European brand, and I never went there, but basically I went shopping also because in France, like with my school, we did a little bit of volunteeria, etc., and we got the chance to get paid if we did those things, and they paid us with like gift cards, but like it's like checks, not cards, like checks. So I went to one of the, and they have like, there's a specific site where you go on, and you have all the stores where you can buy with your checks. So and it goes like, so this is the first thing that I got. It's a cute bodysuit with like some cute little button details on the side, and it is absolutely adorable. Like, I love this with like some simple just pants or like just a nice skirt. Like, it is so cute for the summer. Only 12 euros. I don't have much bodysuits, but I love bodysuits. I feel like they're just great. These are the sunglasses. I feel like John Lennon or something. To me, these were only $8.99. Pretty cute. And then I saw this and I just fell over heels for it. Like, I was like, listen, I need to get you right now, because if not, I can't go on with my life. So this is it. Wait, let me tell. So it's like just like your typical skirt, like this, and then on the side, oops, and this is how it is on the side. You just like tie it up, it is so freaking cute. I just absolutely love skirts like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is the end of this vlog. I'm gonna stop it so I can edit it and have it ready to go, like literally right now or like for tonight. Actually, it just turned 7 p.m. That's crazy. Time goes by really fast and it's still like super sunny outside. I'm like shook. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of packing, what I do before packing, what I take with me. And yeah, I will see you guys soon for my first Greece vlog. Stay tuned on my Instagrams. I will put them all on the screen. They're always in the down bar. If you guys want to follow me for Greece, for the pictures, for the story, go ahead. It's free. It's there. I will be glad to share my travel with you. This is for my 20th birthday and I've waited so long for it so I can finally celebrate my birthday gift in a way. So yeah, hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys soon for the Greek vlog. Bye!